How to change address in US Bank. If you want to change in online, firstly you have to log in your US Bank online account. Then go to 3-line or settings, usually found in the top right corner. Select personal information and follow the steps to update your address. If you want to change in mobile app, you need to open the US Bank app and log in. Navigate to Profile or Settings, then select Personal Information and follow the steps to update your address. If you want to change with phone, call US Bank's customer service and verify your identity and request an address change. For changing address in branch, you need to visit a US Bank branch and bring a valid ID and ask a representative to update your address. Some customers may prefer to mail a written address change request, but call customer service first to confirm the process and any required forms. Thanks for watching.